Welcome to another episode of Siyayinqoba, SHAP. Let us hear what our characters have got in store for us today. SHAP, I'm marrying the most beautiful woman on the planet.
I can't wait for the honeymoon so that we can start making babies.
You know it's not that I don't want to have children. We just can't take that risk.
But I read somewhere that...
No, Kelly, it's a pipe dream. I don't want to risk our babies being born HIV positive.
Would you at least be open to discussing this with Sis Vuyakazi?
I know what she's going to say.
30 minutes of your time is all I'm asking for.
Fine, but we shouldn't get our hopes up. We can?
It's absolutely possible.
I told you.
How?
If someone living with HIV has an undetectable viral load, there is no chance of them transmitting HIV to their sexual partner, even if they don't use a condom.
How is that even possible?
Adherence to ARVs reduces the amount of virus in a person's blood to very low levels, so low that we call this undetectable. If you maintain an undetectable viral load for 6 months, you cannot pass HIV onto your sexual partner, even if you are not using condoms.
Are you telling me we can have babies because both of us have had undetectable viral load for the past 6 months?
Yes, it's a fact. People on effective HIV treatment cannot pass on the virus to their sexual partner. Undetectable equals untransmittable.
Does it mean we are cured?
No, you still have HIV in your body and are not cured. And if you stop taking your ARVs, the amount of virus in your body will increase and your viral load will go up. Remember, good adherence is needed to maintain an undetectable viral load.
But if the virus is still in my body, will it pass from me to my baby?
By being on ARVs and having an undetectable viral load, you significantly reduce the risk of transferring HIV to your unborn child.
Here I thought I would never become a father.
That makes me so happy.
Kamva Matika, do you take Kelly Mzamo to be your lawful wedded wife?
I do.
Kelly Mzamo, do you take Kamva Matika to be your lawful wedded husband?
I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
To start your HIV treatment or for more information, WhatsApp us on 079 25 87 642 or visit our Facebook page at Siyayinqoba. SHAP.